Good morning, everyone. My name is Kenneth and Andrada, and I'm here to present about database. So, what is database? Database is an organized collection of structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system. A database is usually controlled by a DBMS or a database management system. Together, the data in the DBMS, along with the application that are associated with them, are referred to as database system or often shortened to just database. The evolution of database. Databases have evolved dramatically since their inception in the early 1960s. Navigational databases, such as hierarchical database, which relied on a tree-like model and allowed only one-to-many relationship, and the network database, a more flexible and model that allowed multiple relationships with the original systems used to store and manipulate data. In 1980s, relational databases became popular. A relational database is a type of database that stores and provides access to data points that are related to one another. In 1990s, object-oriented databases is a database system that can work with complex data objects, that is, objects that mirror those used in objects-oriented program languages. NoSQL database came about as a response to the growth of the internet and the need for faster speed in processing of unstructured data. Today, cloud databases and self-driving databases are breaking new ground when it comes to how data is collected, stored, managed, and utilized. Let's go to types of databases. So there are two types of databases. One is single file or flat file database and relational database. So what is single file or flat file database? Single file or flat file database allows the user to specify data attributes such as columns and data types table by table and stores those attributes separate from applications. This type of file is commonly used to import data in data warehousing projects. So relational database is a collection of data items with predefined relationships between them. These items are organized as a set of tables with columns and rows. Tables are used to hold information about objects to be represented in the database. Each column in a table holds a certain kind of data, and a field stores the actual value of an attribute. The rows in a table represent a collection of data values of one object or entity. Each row in a table could be marked with a unique identifier called a primary key. And rows among multiple tables can be made related using foreign keys. This data can be accessed in many different ways without reorganizing the data tables themselves. So this is an example of single file or flat file database. And this is the example of relational database. So let's go to the use of database. First, improve business processes. Companies collect data about business processes such as sales, order processing, and customer service. They analyze that data improve these processes, expand their business, and grow revenue. Keep track of customers. Databases often store information about people such as customers or users. For example, social media platforms use databases to store user information such as names, email addresses, and user behavior. The data is used to recommend content to users and improve the user experience. Third, secure personal health information. Healthcare providers use databases to securely store personal health data to inform and improve patient care. Lastly, stored personal data. Databases can also be used to store personal information. For example, personal cloud storage is available for individual users to store media such as photos in a managed cloud. That would be all. Thank you.